Hi, I'm Ty, Head of Development here at RetailRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our POS system. I'm going to be operating under the assumption that you've already created stores and items, and if you have not, I'll leave links to those videos in the description. So when you first click the POS tab, you'll get this Select a Store. Just simply select a store from where you're processing orders. We'll go with Test Store 1. Once you do that, it'll just fill out some data just about the store, just basically to verify or if you need to give any of that information out. And if you need to change store, say you selected the wrong one, it's the only use case I could see there, but you can just do it right there. And then scan or enter a UPC, or you can add scratch items. So let me go to my items real quick and grab a SKU. Actually, that's a consignment item. Go with these. And go ahead and scan them in there. And there you go. It pops up and updates all your totals. This is no tax because of settings. This is a grocery item, and in my settings I have grocery to be no tax, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no tax. I'm going to switch that back real quick just to make this easier. Okay. So there you go. Tax in. So if you want to do an individual discount on an item, you got the options right here. So if you want to do 10%, there you go. Deselect it like that. You can also change the price of the item right on the spot. Say, I don't know, it was negotiated down to $3. There you go, $3. And then you can apply the original price again if needed. And say you have items that you haven't processed into inventory yet, and you're going to make a sale on them. That is what this add scratch item would be. So you could just do that. You can rename it if you need to, or you can just leave it as is. Give it a price, and then a classification. The classification is basically kind of just to help you remember in a return situation. So say this ticket got brought back and you just see added item number 1. Of course you could rename it to help you as well, but if they bring back chips and an electronic item, you know it's these electronic item that you want to get rid of. It's a better example with multiple added. So say it was another grocery and another electronic item and they want to return their electronic item. You know which one it is. If you want to do an order-wide discount, you can click this Edit Order button. You can also apply no tax throughout the whole order here. We'll reapply, and if you want to discount the whole order, you can discount the whole order there. And then once you're ready to make a transaction, just click whatever method you need to use. Just going to go cash here and add the remaining. You can split them up too if you need to do that. And check out. And that will print a receipt. And that is how to use our POS system.